I'm a beginner baker, and in my quest to become an excellent baker, I think I have to learn how to make brown sugar chocolate chip cookies. I think I'm starting to understand what the hype is because these were amazing. They not only looked really pretty, but they were also closer to the bakery style that I have had in the past. So this is my first time making this, and the biggest challenge was to figure out if the brown sugar and butter consistency was correct. And I also didn't know if the dough was supposed to be as hard as it turned out after having it refrigerate for about 30 minutes. But I was pleasantly surprised that after baking it in the oven and letting it cool, it had such an amazing taffy flavor to it. This cookie is a bit on the sweet side, and I did make it with a little bit of oatmeal flour, so it's technically brown sugar oatmeal chocolate chip cookie, which is a mouthful. But I absolutely loved it, and I hope that you will give it a try. The full recipe is on my blog. Thank you so much for watching.